my name is Prince Dabre and today I am here about to present GitHub Webhook system that was an assignment to me. I am going to demonstrate a complete real-world webhook integration system that I built using Flask, MongoDB, GitHub Webhooks as described in the task. This system automatically captures GitHub events like push, pull and merge. Now they display it in real time on the dashboard I built. So now I will show you the dashboard which is running on the port 5000. So this is the GitHub Webhook dashboard and you can see the dashboard as well as some push, pull and merge request which I tested. You can see the push is in green color, the pull is in yellow color and the merge is in red color. Also it refreshes every 15 seconds automatically. You can see the live icon that the MongoDB is connected successfully and it is working like ngrok and MongoDB. The last update is 6.6.7.17 and after 15 seconds it will be updated automatically. Also, I would like to tell that the user interface is mobile friendly as well as responsive. The timestamp is in UTC. You can see the author details pushed like what is the name on what date and like everything basically. Now I will show you the repository architecture as told to create two different repositories. So the first repository is nothing but the webhook repo. As you can see the webhook repo, it has my Flask application where I can simulate the pull, push, merge request. This generates the webhook events. I can say basically the Flask code is here. It, re it receives the webhook request from action repo which creates it basically. Processes the events, stores the data in MongoDB and shows different dashboards in real time. Now this separation follows real-time production patterns where developers work in their code repositories and separate webhook services are monitored to all those repositories. So in action repository, it generates events. So this is the action repo in which we are generating a branch or a file and then by the help of webhook, the Flask application, it is processed. We can say it as a demonstration of microservices architecture. Now I would like to show you a live demo. For that I am in the action repo, right, and I am creating a file, new file. Now I am giving it a name, normal, yeah. So I am giving it a name is a demo video text, and I am giving is a content that is this is a live video for tech stack assignment. Now I commit changes, yeah. So as you can see the file is created demo video text. Now I'm going on the dashboard. You can see the file has been pushed. You can see the real time 6.9 updated 6.9.47 and you can see our new file has been added and the ID is here. You can see the same in post MongoDB. Let me refresh, yeah. So yeah, you can see the 6.9 and we have pushed. The author is Prince Dabre 18s and it is successful in the MongoDB. Another, I would like to show creating a pull request. So for that, I need to create, I'm in the right repository, right? I need to create a branch, a new branch. The branch name I would like to give is, actually, I'm using this feature of the Windows, which is a good one. So demo branch, create new. As you can see, the branch has been added. Now I would like to be in the demo branch and here I would like to file. As we are doing it in a new branch basically. So the file name I think is a pr demo text, and it's a demo of new branch. So I have given a content to, now we are committing the change. Now we are committing it, and yeah, we are done. So now to create a pull, yeah, open pull request. We are creating a successful pull. Yeah, create pull request. Okay, so now the pull request is created, and you can see the pull request is here as well. The time is, yeah, the ID. Last update is 6/12, and you can see. Also, I would like to show you the MongoDB, which saves everything. Here it is. Yeah, the pull request. Now I would like to show the additional one, that is merge pull request, which was additional. Okay, now it is showing. Now it should update. Yeah, we can see a merge as successfully demo branch to main branch. You can see the merge request, and in the MongoDB also you can see successful. Just waiting for a moment, and you can see a 6/12 with the push main to branch main. From we have merged successfully. So this was the live demo. Now I would like to give you some technical details. Basically, we can see that the I would like to show you the webhook configuration. I will show you the webhook configuration. So we are going to settings. Here you can see we have successfully created a webhook which is working, and this is the link of the ngrok. I would like to show you the terminal also. So this is the terminal in which the ngrok is running currently. It is online, and yeah, this is the content type, and this is the configuration. Also, what request we are receiving are based on this. I have checked push and pull only, so we are getting only that ones. I can choose anything, and I will update, then I will receive those requests if the GitHub is responding in that way, if the user is responding in that way. So also I would like to show the front end, simple front end which I made. So I would like to show you the code. So it is a basic HTML, CSS, a basic UI as told, because to create, I did, I tried to, what we can say, I tried to make a clear, good UI. But yeah, this is the best I think, and the every function is working properly. Also, I would like to conclude that it is showing a real-time event processing. I have showed you a live demo. Also, the cloud integration is successful. All three events, push, pull, and merge, cherry on the top, is successful. So thank you, and I eager that I will get the opportunity as a Python developer at your organization. Thank you so much.